The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations of up to 12 inches or more in depth. Winds gusting over 90 miles per hour. Impacts: travel will be impossible. Blowing snow will significantly reduce visibility at times. With periods of zero visibility, a high wind warning is also in effect. The strong winds will likely cause significant drifting of snow. Precautionary actions. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your car.
Reach this buck, eat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up.